In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-publish to Instagram with Later. By the end, you'll have a post scheduled and set to go live on its own, without you needing to tap anything on your phone. First, log into your Later account on the web or in the mobile app. You'll land on your dashboard, which is where you'll manage media, captions, and your calendar. If you haven't used Later in a while, it's a good idea to check your account settings so your time zone is correct. That way your posts fire exactly when you expect. Next, connect your Instagram business or creator account. Auto-publish is only available for these account types, so make sure your Instagram isn't set to personal. When you connect, Later will walk you through granting permissions. Approve everything it asks for so it can publish on your behalf. If you see a prompt to connect your Facebook page during this process, follow it. This is how Instagram's API confirms the right access. Once you're connected, upload your photo or video to the media library. You can drag and drop from your computer or select from your camera roll. Aim for clear, high-quality files that match Instagram's preferred formats and aspect ratios, such as square, portrait, or landscape. Giving your file a descriptive name or labeling it in Later can help you find it quickly later on. Now drag that media onto the calendar. This opens the post editor. Here, write a clear, engaging caption and add your hashtags. Keep your first line strong and use line breaks for readability. If you already have a set of hashtags you like, paste them in and make sure they're relevant to the content. You can also save them in Later for future use to speed up your workflow. Before you schedule, turn on Auto Publish. You'll see a toggle in the post editor that switches the post from notification publishing to automatic publishing. When Auto Publish is on, Later will handle the posting for you at the scheduled time. If any post types aren't eligible, Later will let you know right here, so you can adjust accordingly. Choose the exact date and time you want the post to go live. Consider your audience's peak activity times and double check that your calendar is set to the correct time zone. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll see the post on your calendar with auto-publish enabled and you're done. That's the full process. Log in, connect your Instagram business or creator account, upload your media, drag it to the calendar with your caption and hashtags, turn on auto-publish, set your date and time, and save. Your content will publish automatically, right on schedule.